Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations. So I've got a haul here for you, and this is my third attempt because my camera or my phone kept coming off the my tripod, and so I was just having issues with that. Okay, so this is my third attempt. So anyways, this is just a smaller haul. I'll be really quick, and I don't like talking, getting off point. I know when I watch videos, sometimes people just talk on and on and on, and I end up just fast forwarding through it, and I don't want you guys to fast forward through it. So I get right to my videos and start talking. So as you know, I go to lots of thrift stores because all of my junk journals are repurposed items, recycled items. So these were all items that people donated to their thrift store and no longer wanted them. So, and they're secondhand. So anyways, I found this handyman's book. This is the Betty Crocker one, the 5-ring binder. And so hopefully I'm in frame for you, and I tried to get as close up as possible because I had a couple comments about please get closer so I could see better. So I'm going to try to do that. Okay, so as you know, I try not to spend any more than $2 for my books that I use. I try to go on like color tag sale day, or like a Veterans Day or things like that. My husband's a veteran, and so I try to get them as least as possible, and I just enjoy looking for the bargains. And plus I have a few thrift stores that have like fill a bag for $3, so I could basically get a book for like a nickel if I get enough books to fit in a grocery sack. So I found this one. I probably paid $1.49 for it. I don't recall which store. I've been in quite a few, a little bit here and there this last couple weeks. So this is the Handyman's book, and 5-ring binder. It's dated 1970. First time I found it, so I grabbed it, and I just love it. It would make a great guy's journal, I think. So just thought I'd share that with you. Ouch. And I love sharing hauls because it gives you an idea of, what the book looks like on the inside. So when you're shopping online, you can't really see what the book looks like on the inside. And so I enjoy looking at people's hauls so I know what to look for in books. So this one here, America's National Parks. This is like a brand new book. It's got a little paper in here saying that we're happy to send you this bonus book for purchasing 4 guild selections. So it's from the Literary Guild of America. So this was probably a book somebody wasn't interested in because, I mean, the pages aren't bent at all. It's like in perfect shape. And if you know me, my type niche of junk journals is more cabin, nature, wildlife. That's the one that I enjoy doing the most. I mean, I like, little golden books and things like that too, but this is where my love is. And so I try to gather as many books as possible that have your vintage, wildlife. And so I wanted to show you this tip, or share with you this tip that I have. So sometimes, some of your books that are old and vintage like that can have that old smell, like from being stored. So what I do is these little perfume like samples that come in the mail. When I get home and I put it in my craft room here, excuse me, then I can start, when I'm in the store, I can't really smell the book, but this one, it has a little bit of a vintage old smell. So what I do is I open these up and I just stick it in the middle of the book and put it in the page and close it. And the book will slowly absorb the nice perfume smell versus the old vintage smell. So that's just a tip I do. So I don't know, maybe you would want to use that or try it yourself. Then there is this, I paid 50 cents for it. It's a disbursement journal. Goodness. It's got the blue and red, you know, grid to it, and it's a register, and it's a, you know, it's a disbursement. I love the line, so I love getting different types of these types of accounting journals because it's good for writing and journaling on, and plus it gives you different spots of color. So I love that. That was 50 cents. Okay, and then at my favorite thrift store, up by our cabin, this is the House Beautiful Building Manual. It's like almost like a magazine. Matter of fact, they have a free bin. I mean, there's like several bins of magazines. They don't charge anything for magazines. This is fall and winter 1958, 1959. I saw this in the free bin and I grabbed it. It's where I get a lot of my magazines, is up there at this thrift store that does that. And it's tattered but wonderful. I love this. So many vintage, you know, pictures and advertisements. I love it. Look at this kitchen. And look at this one here, these little plug covers. And it's got the ladies. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to push it up here for you. But look at the little ladies. Better living at your fingertips. Isn't that cool? I just love that. This would make a great tag, cutting this out right here. Or a bookmark. So yeah, oh gosh, I just love it. And some pages are color. Look at that. And you know, maybe I better move this over a little bit so I can get a little bit better. You guys can see better. There we go. So yeah, I love this. This was fab. Look at that old paneling. Look at my kitchen. Look at this. This is so cool. All the colored. Remember when the sinks and toilets and tubs were all different colors? Oh my gosh. So yeah, look at the ladies. Ooh, termites. So yeah, this is so cool. I love this magazine. And look at this. This is like a pink color. Yep, this was just a fantastic free find. Oh, here's a page that fell out. Look at that. Old table set. So this will be just wonderful. I fell in love with this. I'm like so thrilled. Oh, look at this one. This one is Mom sitting inside the house. And the little boy's outside making his snowman. Oh, this would be a great picture to cut out. Look at this one. Oh, Mom and daughter cooking in the kitchen. Yeah, isn't that super? Look at that. That is just great. Love it. So this was like my best find. Look at that teal color. So anyways, that was 1958 to 1959. Wonderful find. That book is huge, actually. All right, next thing I found is, I'll put it sideways here so you can see. This is one of these far reach staplers, so that you can get farther into the book to staple. So I thought that was a great find. It's a Stanley Bosch, so love that. Okay, then found some more grid paper. This I did get at Goodwill. It was a tag, so it half off, so it was 99 cents I paid for this. This is a 2-pack of the grid paper. I just love the grid paper. All right, and then yep, I found some nice this has got different colors in it, some yarn, but it's the thicker, and so I just like that thick look. So that was pretty cool. And then let's take these over here. Let's do this one first. So this book, get you in frame here. This book, what did I pay for this? I think it was 75 cents at this thrift store. This is the one way up north too, 1962. It's got really thick pages, really thick, and I loved all the images in it. I loved all these ladies and the men, and trains and automobiles, and just all these different images. Look at the phones. Look at the different types of phones and typewriters and appliances. Oh my gosh, so much fussy cutting of all these cool items. Yeah, I mean, it was just super great. As soon as I saw this, I grabbed it. It was 75 cents for this book. Lots of pictures in here. This is just wonderful. It's all about, I believe it was, I'll look at here just a second. Just, you know, it's all images on this side and then the writing is on this side. This whole book is. So I nabbed this. So what did I say? 1962, and it's Arts of Mankind. So this was a wonderful find. Okay. All right. And then I got this for 50 cents at another tiny little thrift store. And this is Green Sneakers. It is a template set, and I've looked at it already, and it looks like somebody tried it and they didn't like it or whatever, didn't use it, I don't know. But this is it's a template, and these are new because this hasn't been punched out yet, but these are templates. So here's one that they used. So you punch out the template, and then you lay this window, and I love this. I absolutely love this, better than I do trying to figure out how to do, not figure out, but like I've looked on other YouTube videos on how to make an envelope out of a book page. And so then you have to sit there and flip it around and figure out and try to fold it to get to the image that you want to be on the front of the envelope. Well, this, it's like this is for dummies. So you just take this and you take, I don't have a, well, maybe I do. I have a book page here, like in front of me. Maybe I can use this. So say I wanted this image right here on the front. Well, you turn it however you want. And of course it needs to be bigger than this. There's different sizes in here. You can make a small envelope, you know, so like for this one, for example, would fit on the page. So then you just align it to, this wouldn't be here. This comes off. You align it to where you want the image, and all you do is you rip your page around this, and then this is your window, and then you just find your image. So this is what I want on front, and then you put this back in here, you lift this out after you rip it out, and then you just sit there and you fold. It is just so simple. And I YouTubed this, and this was like something like 8, 9, 10 years ago this came out, or even longer. But I am just thrilled I found this kit. So I love this. I love it. It was a 50-cent find, and it's like new, and you know, only one of them was cut out. So I can't wait. Envelope templates, yeah. Oh, it says 2010. Yeah, so it's like 10 years old. So yeah, I will do a video, a tutorial on how to use these, and oh my gosh, it's fantastic. So all right, and then at the same thrift store, I can get Reader's Digest for 25 cents, and they usually have boxes of them. So I sat on the floor and I went through these boxes, and I went through and picked, look at these, are like brand new. I picked the covers that I liked the best. So I went and picked a whole bunch. So I'm just going to share these with you here. Look at that one. So I got, you know, like I said, I got these for 25 cents, and this is a fern one. Love that. Here's some more. Look, this one, the paper. This one, I ripped the paper. But anyways, that one's got that on it. Really cool. I like that. This one, let me get up here farther. This one's pink with this, you know, retro type images or print. This one here was really cool. Love that one. It's got like, I don't know, people and images on there. So that one's cool. And then this one, little swirlies and leaves. I like that. So I got all those. And then, what else am I missing? Oh, and then, oh my gosh, gosh, I found a school pencil sharpener, $3.50. I love my pencils because I love using pencils for marking. I'm gonna mount this on the edge of my my desk. So yeah, so I will end with that because that's my little haul that I have. And so if you like my videos, and please subscribe and share, and love to hear your comments. And so hope you all have a great day and enjoy my videos. All right, thank you so much. Bye.